Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to see the nameplate of distribution transformer and how to read the nameplate of the distribution transformer. What are the important factors that we have to give importance to this factor for choosing the best transformer. The first one is rated power. Rated power indicates the maximum load that transformer can handle continuously without overheating. And the next one is primary and secondary voltage. Primary and secondary voltage show us input are high voltage level and output are low voltage level of transformer for which the transformer is being designed. And the next one is rated current. Rated current help us in selecting correct protection device and conductor. After transformer we have load, and before the load we have some protection device here. So which type of protection device to be put there and which type of things used here. So this help is given to us from the rated current of transformer. The next one is phase and frequency. So usually 50 Hz frequency transformer is used in Pakistan, and in US 60 Hz is used. So this is for the purpose of operating our system. If we operate our system on wrong frequency, that result in overheating and can damage our system. The next one is vector group. Vector group is used for paralleling two transformer with each other. Paralleling two transformer with each other, vector group help us here. And the next one is winding connection. That is very simple, either single phase or either three phase. Percentage impedance affects short circuit current and voltage regulation. What it means, if we have a percentage impedance of 2%, for example, in short circuit 500 current goes here, so the voltage drop occur here is 1000 due to 2% impedance in short circuit. So it's very helpful in short circuit or in fault current. The next one is cooling method of transformer. Cooling method defines how heat is removed and affect loading capability. The major one is onion. Onion mean oil natural and air natural. And in next video we will see the cooling method of transformer. And the next one is insulation class and temperature rise. So it show allowable temperature limit and insulation strength of the transformer. And the second important one is tape changer. So tape changer is very important for range, step and number of tapes for voltage adjustment, because for example my transformer have two tapes and this is 500 kVA. If it has two tapes, so it will give me either 50% or 75%. So more the number of tapes, and we have take many types of voltage from this transformer. And the next important is losses and efficiency, indicate energy performance at rated load. And the next one is applicable standard, confirm compliances with design and safety standard. It is very important because it gives us the safety standard of our devices and of our transformer. The next one is manufacturer or serial number and year, useful for maintenance and record and warranty claims. So these are the factors that is important on the basis of how to choose the transformer. The next I will give you the real picture of transformer. So these all are the important factors of the nameplate of transformer. So here you can see the real nameplate of the transformer. The first thing is rated power of the transformer. The second one is reference of the transformer. This is the group of the transformer. In previous slide we see all of these factors, and this is rated frequency, phases 3 by 3, and type of cooling method, oil natural, air natural, total weight of the transformer, assembly weight of the transformer, oil volume per liter is this one, and the next one is no load voltage, no load, full load amperes of the transformer, impedance voltage percentage is 7%, and maximum temperature of the transformer is 50 Hz. Temperature rise, oil and air is 50 Hz, and this is the oil specification of the transformer. So these all things we see in previous slide, that what are the factor, and now we see in real nameplate of the transformer, that is of Lahore, Pakistan. The next one is the connection of the transformer, that is on high side, that is the high side is primary side and low side is secondary side. So this is delta and this is Y, and position of the tape is this, and there are 6 position of the tape. So in different position we get different voltages. Thank you. In next video we will see next thing of the transformer. Type of